Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify port 3389 availability for RDP access step by step clearly. To verify port 3389 availability for RDP access, start by opening your command prompt. On Windows, press the Windows key and type CMD to find the command prompt. Click on the command prompt to open it. Once the command prompt is open, type telnet, IP address, 3389 and press enter. Replace IP address with the actual IP address of the remote machine. If telnet is not enabled, you will see a message indicating that the connection failed. In this case, you can enable telnet by going to Control Panel, then Programs, and selecting Turn Windows Features on or off. Check the box for Telnet Client and click OK. After enabling telnet, repeat the previous step to test the connection. If you receive a blank screen, the port is open and accessible. If you see a message saying the connection failed, the port is closed or filtered. Next, you can use PowerShell to check the availability. Open PowerShell by searching for it in the Start menu. Type testnet connection computer name, IP address, port 3389 and press enter. This will provide detailed information about the connection. Look for the TCP test succeeded value. If it says true, the port is open. If it says false, the port is closed or blocked. Another option is to use an online port checker tool. Search for Online Port Checker in your web browser. Enter the public IP address of your machine and the port number 3389. Click on the check button to see if the port is open. If you need further verification, check firewall settings. Ensure that the firewall on the remote machine allows inbound connections on port 3389. You may also want to check the router settings if you are connecting over a network. Make sure port forwarding is set up on the router if necessary. Lastly, document your findings for future reference. This will ensure you have a record for troubleshooting or configuration changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.